Hey everyone, welcome back to Animesh Creation. First of all, a huge thank you to everyone who participated in the contest. The amount of creativity, effort, and passion you all showed up was mind blowing. I honestly didn't expect this level of talent. Every artwork had its own story and style. So, even if your artwork isn't in the top list, always remember that creativity isn't about winning, it's all about expressing yourself. And now it's time to reveal our top 19 artworks. This year's Phantom Contest winner is Pixie Farmer. Really love your creativity. You surely deserve the place. And once again, thank you everyone for participating in the contest. And I'll see you in my next video.